Wait, did it just hurt?
Yeah, hey everybody, it's us again. It's me and Sonic going out on enemies like Eggman and stuff. Yeah, look at me, I'm running around. Hey, you left me. You left me. Sonic, what's wrong with you?
We're not actually going out.
We're not going out. We're not gay either. No, stop talking about gay now, okay, man? Where'd you go? Where am I? Help me. Where am I, Sonic? Oh, there I am. I'm flying around, yeah. Come on, let's go. Come on, we can do this. Come on, Sonic. Where'd you go, Sonic? Come on, wait up, Sonic. Why are you so fast? Hey, Sonic. Hey, Sonic again. Hey, Sonic.
But you got it!
Stop doing that, Sonic, man. You're never gonna do it. Oh, there you go, Sonic. Okay, go, Sonic. I'm flying around like an idiot. What are you doing, Sonic?
What the shut up!
I don't want to shut up, Sonic. You know it. Fine. I'll just shut up now. I'll just stop talking.
Shut up!
Wait up, Sonic.
Sonic got through Act 1. Well, I don't know what I'm doing here now. Alright.
Hey, Sonic, come on, let's go. Come on.
Emerald Hill 2.
Come on, Sonic, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Don't get hit!
Sonic, come on, I'll save you now. Oh, look at me, I'm running around. Oh, Sonic, help me.
Underwear!
I'm running around, Sonic. Stop saying underwear. What's wrong with you, man?
But you just said
Black
underwear!
Sonic. I'm Black Sonic.
Okay, shut up!
I'm video phone.
I'm Sonic, man. Let's go, Sonic, let's go. That's in 3 minutes, Sonic. Oh, I just said that out loud, dang it.
What is that, Sonic? What is that, Tails?
I don't know, man. I just don't know. Oh,
Are you a man?
you're shiny, Sonic. I'm a man, Sonic. I'm a little boy.
I thought you were a girl.
I'm not a girl, Sonic. Maybe.
Wow,
I
with me.
might be a girl, but you know, what's that, Sonic?
Hey everybody, it's me, I'm Eggman. I'm gonna kill you with my bulldozer. Oh, I'm fat, man. That's why I'm in a bulldozer.
Hey, what you doing in that bulldozer, man? What are you doing?
I'm gonna kill you both in my bulldozer, you know.
Well, why you we're jumping around and kill you?
Oh no, you killed me. Oh my god, I'm black now. Oh, no, I'm not black anymore. I'm gonna fly away where you can do nothing.
Hey, Sonic, what's that? Open it, man. Oh, what's that, Sonic? Oh my gosh, there's something in the sky. What happened? Going on?
Sonic got through Act 2.
Hey, what happened, Sonic?
All right.